The Lok Sabha today was adjourned after, there was difference of opinion on what should be taken up on the agenda between the opposition and the speaker. The speaker was insisting that the motion of thanks of the president should take top priority, while the leader of the opposition, Rahul Gandhi, and some others wanted that there should be a discussion on the paper leakage, which has impacted and affected millions of people, families, and students all over India. So essentially, this is a kind of precursor to a lot of things which are to come, because there's going to be confrontation, which was very obvious when Mr. Om Birla had been re-elected as the speaker. Mr. Birla had a very controversial tenure in the 17th Lok Sabha, and there was a lot of opposition to him, and there were accusations that he is not a neutral person, and a person who the speaker should always be impartial when he is conducting the business of the house. And he had, in the last term, expelled or suspended so many members and had not allowed the opposition to have a voice. Now things have changed, but his election indicated that the government of the day was determined to have him there as the presiding officer. The speaker is a very essential and very important position in a democracy, and is regarded to be a person who is a referee, who plays as an umpire between the opposition and the government. The government, obviously is represents the voice of the people, because it has been elected to be there and has the majority. But similarly, the opposition also has a point of view which has to be respected, and has to find some sort of voice in the house in order to make our democracy much more vibrant. Now, this confrontation is likely to continue because Mr. Birla is, perceived by the opposition as someone who sides or favors the treasury benches as against the opposition leaders. And today also there was this allegation that when Mr. Rahul Gandhi was speaking, his mic had been turned off. Now, whether it was done because the speaker was of the view that the motion of thanks should be taken up first, which normally is the case, or it was because he wanted to silence the opposition, is something which will be determined during the course of this session. So far as the Parliament is concerned, the Speaker's office here is based on the model which we inherited from the Westminster model, which is prevalent in England, where the Speaker, when elected, is elected for life. As a matter of fact, there is a tradition and convention in that country that once a Speaker is elected, he ceases to be a member of the political party he belongs to, and in any future election, till the time he chooses to opt out, he gets elected unopposed. The tradition is based on the premise that the speaker can do no wrong, and he is basically there to regulate the proceedings without favoring or being prejudiced against anyone. So this tradition, of course, will take a very long time in India to come, because here speakers are part of political parties, and they continue to function as members of those political parties.